Alrighty, y'all, so welcome back. I know this video took a while to put out, but we've been a little busy doing all kinds of stuff. But this is the last we have. The first and the fifth bolt were stripped from the head. We installed a time sert. Then my daughters put everything back, and then number 7 stripped as well. So what they did, they took everything off and installed the time serts on the whole 14 holes. So now we're going to see if they do tighten up to the 40 Newton meters. We're about to show y'all. One, two, three, four. 1. 30. 30. 30. 30. 1, 2, this is 6. Technical difficulties. All 14 tighten to the first tightening sequence. Now we still have to do a 90-degree and another 90-degree to fully tighten the head. But the time serts work, guys. So we'll be coming out with a part 2 to show the rest. Thank you.